Filipino values play a vital role in shaping ethical business practices. These values guide how we interact with colleagues, clients, and partners, fostering trust, teamwork, and long-term success. First is pakikisama or teamwork and good relationships. Pakikisama promotes teamwork and a harmonious work environment. In business, this fosters cooperation, reduces workplace conflicts, and increases productivity. Second is utang na loob or loyalty and gratitude in business relationships. Utang na loob in business means valuing and repaying kindness, whether from mentors, customer, or business partners. This builds strong long-term relationship. Third is bayanihan or collaboration and corporate social responsibility. Bayanihan in business reflects corporate social responsibility. Companies that give back to the community earn trust and goodwill, strengthening their brand. Fourth is HIA or integrity and accountability in business ethics. HIA ensures accountability in business. Ethical companies own up to their mistakes and strive to maintain their reputation through honesty and responsibility. PIP is malasakit or employee and customer care. Malasakit in business means genuinely caring for employee and customers. Companies that prioritize well-being create a loyal and motivated workplace. 6 is integrity and honesty. Ethical business practices. Integrity and honesty are key to long-term business success. Trustworthy businesses attract loyal customers and maintain a good reputation. 7 is hospitality or exceptional customer service and respect. Hospitality is a signature Filipino trait. Businesses that treat customers with warmth and respect build strong customer loyalty.